Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about one of the biggest scholarship portal, that is NSP. If you are a student and looking for a scholarship, then this video is for you. Imagine getting 15,000 or more every year directly into your bank account for just being a student. Sounds cool, right? Let's see how you can make this happen through NSP, the National Scholarship Portal. It is an official platform launched by Government of India, and it brings all the scholarships into one place. And this scholarship is especially for the students studying in colleges or universities or even doing post graduation. There is a NSP scheme waiting for you. And this scholarship is especially for the students studying first year. There are different schemes available in this platform, so I will show you all of those. For that, first of all, you need to move to the Google and here search for NSP. And here click on this website. Then you will be redirected to this page. And from here, click on these three dots. And here click on the schemes on NSP. So yeah, here we can see that there are different departments available and each department having different schemes. And we can see that for some of the schemes, the last date is 15th October, and for some of the schemes, the last date is 31st October. And the schemes will be allocated automatically by this platform once you register and fills the application form. So you need to apply for the scholarship before 15th October only. For those who are studying first year BTech, they will get the scheme Central Sector Scheme of Scholarship for college and university students. And most of the students will get this scheme. And for those who are studying the post graduation, they will get the scheme of National Scholarship for Postgraduate Studies. And you might get some other schemes also, but most of the students will get this one. So this is about the different schemes available in NSP. Let's see how to apply for this scholarship. For that, here you need to click on these three dots, and then here you need to click on this apply for scholarship. So you will get the page like this. And if you are a new user, you need to click on here like register yourself. And here you need to click on this continue button. So you will get the page like this, and here there are 4 steps available to register, and you need to complete each and every step. And after completion of this registration, you need to log in. For that, here you can click on this login button. So here you can log in with your Aadhaar number, or else you can log in with your OTR number. Once you log in successfully, you need to fill an application form. So the page looks like this. Here you need to click on this fill application button. Then you will have these all steps. First of all, you need to fill your general information, and then you need to fill your academic details. With the help of these two details, the platform will automatically show you the selected scheme, and that scheme will be available in scheme available section. And here we can see that the scheme available for this student is Central Sector Scheme of Scholarship, and this student is studying first year of BTech, and the payment that they get for selecting this scheme is 12,000 rupees, and this payment proof is for the previous year student. And after selecting the scheme and proceeding to the next, you need to upload some of the documents. And the documents are caste certificate, income certificate, and also the previous class mark list. If you are studying BTech or degree, then you need to upload your 12th class mark list. If you are studying post graduation, then you need to upload your undergraduate certificate. And also, you should have a bank account with Aadhaar linked. After that, you need to submit the application. Once you submitted the application, you will get the page like this, and it shows the status of your application. At first, it shows the current status, and then the application should be verified by your college. So here it shows the officer details, and after that it shows the verification details. and your application should be verified by your college and then the state nodal officer, and also you should not submit duplicate applications. After that, it also shows whether you are selected for the scholarship or not. If here you are having this S, then you are selected for the scholarship, and if it is no, then you are not selected for the scholarship. And once your amount will be processed to your bank, then it will be changed to yes. Otherwise, it will shows no. After that, if there are any remarks available, then all those mistakes will be added in these milestones. After that, finally, payment details. So once you received the amount, here in this payment details, it will show. So for this scholarship, and this scholarship is for the postgraduate, and here we can see the scholarship amount as 1,50,000 for 1 year, and the amount will be credited to Aadhaar seeding bank account. So like this you will get the payment. So this is about the application process and also about the payment details of the scholarship, and I will show you the bank proof also. So here you can see that 1,50,000 was credited to their bank account. So you can trust this scholarship definitely. So the last date for applying this scholarship is 15th October. So don't wait till the last date. Apply early to avoid a website rush. I hope I explained each and everything about this scholarship clearly. If you want me to make a complete registration video, drop registration video in comments so that we will share step by step registration process. And share this video with your friends and relatives, and also hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.